Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up use EV charging with a 30A circuit limit, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up an EV charging station with a 30A circuit limit, you must first ensure that your electrical system can handle the load. Check if your home has a dedicated circuit for EV charging. Consult an electrician if you are unsure about your current electrical setup. Select an appropriate level 2 EV charger that is compatible with your vehicle. Make sure the charger can operate within a 30A limit. Gather the tools and materials you will need for installation. This usually includes a circuit breaker, charger unit, mounting bracket, cables, and connectors. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker before starting any work. Mount the EV charger on a wall or post, following the manufacturer's guidelines. Ensure it is at a height that is accessible and convenient for you. Next, connect the charging unit to the power supply using appropriate wiring. Make sure to use wires rated for at least 30A to prevent overheating. Connect the charger directly to the dedicated circuit. Install a 30A double-pole circuit breaker in your electrical panel for safety. After wiring the charger, secure all connections and ensure they are properly insulated. Restore power to the circuit at the breaker. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to configure and test the charger. Use the provided app or interface to set up charging preferences. Now you can plug in your EV to the charger. Monitor the charging process through the app or charger display. Check for any error messages during the initial setup. If everything is working smoothly, you are ready to enjoy EV charging at home. Regularly inspect your charger and connections for wear and tear. If you have any issues, consult the user manual or contact customer support. Always prioritize safety and consult with a professional electrician if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.